Hello, I'm Christy Posey, your Macomb Township Clerk. This video is to inform you that we are in receipt of your application for an absent voter's ballot and what to expect next. Your ballot will be mailed to the address listed on the application. If you have not received your ballot by the second week in July, please contact the Clerk's Department at 586-992-0710, extension 3. We have 2 postage-free ways to return your ballot. 1. Drop off in our convenient drive-up ballot drop boxes located in front of Town Hall near the flagpoles or in front of the Senior Center. The addresses are located on your screen. 2. If the executive order allows, you can return your application to the clerk's office and pick up your ballot in person approximately 4 weeks prior to the election, provided you have photo ID. Please contact our office to ensure the ballots are available. Please be advised, in accordance with Michigan election law, voters are not allowed to pick up ballots for other persons. You can always return your ballot by mail. However, please allow 5 to 7 days for postal delivery during this time. Please visit the website on your screen to keep fully informed of upcoming election information. This site will allow you to obtain a sample ballot and track your absentee mail-in ballot. In the meantime, please keep you and your family safe and stay healthy.